Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're one of my oldies, thank you very much. This is a look I created using my new JUVIAS Place palette. It's stunning. The formula is fantastic. It's swatched absolutely beautifully. All the colors in here are neutral, warm colors, so that you can use it for every day. You can glam yourself up. I like that the deeper shade you can really deepen up your crease with. Everything blended out beautifully. Tutorial, I did one eye first just to test it out and see what I was doing and where I was going to be going, and then the second eye just was so much more quicker. I hope you like this look. Yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'm very grateful for every new subscriber that I get, and I really appreciate it. Please follow me on my social media sites, because I kind of tend to post more stuff, short things on Instagram more, and the link will be somewhere here in the video, up there, down there, in the corner somewhere. You'll find it, or just in the description bar. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have to save a bit of time on the video because I don't want it to be too long. I've already gone ahead and done one eye, as you can see. I think it looks really nice. It's not too bad. I mean, you know, it's only my second attempt at doing a spotlight. So the first thing I did is prime my eyelid with the NYX eyeshadow base. And this color right here. And I just pop that as a transition color all over my lid.
Pigmented. So I'm just going over my crease and just slightly over. I'm going to pat that in to begin with.
And I'm going to go in now with this dark color called Mino, just to deepen my crease.
So I'm going to work that typically in my crease line, just to deepen that. And I'm taking a little bit at a time and just going slowly.
And giving myself a nice dark crease. Now I'm just going to take my Gosh professional art, doesn't say what kind of brush this is, just this brush here, and I'm going to pack on Mino in the inner and outer corner of my lid.
Pack on that colour. Just deepen that area a lot more.
Now I'm going to cut my crease.
On my lower lash line, and then I'm going to look up.
And that's it. And now with my finger I'm going to dip into this beautiful shade in the middle, and that is called Moremi.
So pretty. It's super, super pretty. And gold.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip into this color right here, which is like a rose gold, but deeper than rose gold, than the coppery gold, which is right next to it. And I'm going to put that on the outer edges of that color.
And just stamp that in.
In a minute. Now I'm just going to take my brush and stump that in more. This brush, this little tapered brush, and I'm going to go back in with the brown Kano colour, my crease colour, just to blend in those edges.
A bit better on both sides. Just to clean up. Take away the mistake that I made. I feel like this eye came out slightly better than the other one.
And then I'm going to take my first fluffy brush and go back into Kano, the light brown. I'm terrible at this stuff. This light brown, and soften out the edge at the top here.
Just make it more of a uniform, so that everything marries really.
I'm going to go off camera now and then do my my eyeliner and put my lashes on, and then we'll be back to finish. Hi, so I went away and just did my bottom eyelashes and finished off my eyes, and this is what they're looking like. We are now going to go in with the inner corner highlight, and that I'm going to use the Kilowatt Fenty Beauty in Trophy Wife. You certainly could use this wet, but you don't have to. And this Maybelline Baby Lips Hydrating Lip Balm is the best lip balm that I've ever used. I have bought more expensive products, and I find that this actually is the best. Can't fault it. $3.99, and it's the best thing that I've used ever on my lips, and since I've started using it, it's really kept my lips moisturized. I'm going to the Gold Digger, and I'm just gonna pop that a little bit at the top of my lip, right there. On my Cupid's bow, and it's that simple.
Absolutely love this lip liner. It's my favourite lip liner ever. It's coming to an end. Very sad. Very, very sad.
Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favourite nude lips, which is the Renaissance Vow by Revolution. Oh, it's literally my perfect nude. I absolutely love this nude lipstick, and I think it's just perfect. So last but not least, we're just gonna set the whole face and pray for the best. Every time I set my face, I kind of end up looking a little bit greasy, but hey, let's give it a go. So everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you like it.